In this video, I'll teach you how to set the number of undo actions available in Microsoft Project. In Microsoft Project, the default number of undo actions is set to 20. But did you know you can actually increase it to 99? In this video, I'll teach you how to do that, so let's get started. Warning, this is going to be a really short little video. Here's how to set the number of undo levels in Microsoft Project. Click the File tab to display the Backstage, and then click the Options tab to display the giant Project Options dialog. In this dialog, click the Advanced tab to display the Advanced page. In the General section at the top of the page, you will find an option called Undo Levels. You can see that it is currently set to the default of 20. You can increase the number of undo levels all the way up to the maximum of 99 levels of undo. Keep in mind that undo levels is an application-specific option, which means it impacts every project you open. Also, remember that when you click the Save button, Microsoft Project flushes out the undo cache, which means that you cannot undo any actions that were taken prior to the Save action. Hey, thanks for watching my video. If you found this video to be helpful, I'd encourage you to share it with your friends and colleagues. And if you have a question, please leave it in the comment section below and I'll get back to you to answer your question. And as always, I'll see you in my next video.